In this video, we will show you how to replace your front inside door handle on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly to the inside of your door. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our replacement of the inside door handle. To do this, you'll find located inside this area a 10mm headed bolt holding this in place. Remove it. Once you have that nice and loose, you can remove the bolt with the handle at the same time. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new inside door handle. You'll find that we have a Phillips head bolt on this. We'll take this, get it aligned in the proper position, and tighten it up. Right there's where it's bottomed out. Just make sure it's nice and snug. The next thing you want to do is just make sure you test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.